Access to the server is currently limited due to heavy traffic. Try again code CGEWT 1009. This is an issue most of us have been facing, and inside this video I'm going to give you a solution that works for me. So I'm going to retry again and let's see if we can find an opening. Updating the data. Ascend wildcard 1273 rating. This is any information I'll be providing you guys with a gameplay very soon. So the thing is, to avoid most of these unfair losses, you need to be connected to a VPN. I've already explained the essence of VPNs and how to stop now videos. So if you've not seen it, check it out. Well, what most of us do when you get a black screen or see a black screen like this is we disconnect our VPN or turn our data or Wi-Fi connection off. But you shouldn't. Never ever disconnect your VPN or turn your data connection off, else you'd get a loss. But if you are still connected to your data source, VPN is still on, you'd get a null, no one gets a loss. So yeah, that's how easy it is to prevent this kind of losses inside a game. Now, if you want to know how to prevent auto win hacks inside a game, check the video on the left. Also, if you want to prevent this kind of access to server issues, if you want to avoid them at all, play the game during the evening. During that time, there are fewer people inside the game. That's around 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. UTC. I'ma see you boys in the next one. Bye bye. Peace out.